Yes, episode 3. Episode 3. I'm just making sure we're recording. Okay, we're good. We're good. Yes, we made it to episode 3. Welcome, guys. My name is Ilya. If you've been watching from episode 1 of the Travel Hack series, then you're already getting so much information. But the information doesn't stop here. The information keeps going. So, episode 3 is going to be about sleeping in airports. I know it's weird, but here's why sleeping in airports is going to be good for you. This is for 2 types of people. Okay, 3. Number 1, your flight is really early in the morning. You don't want to pay for accommodation to sleep just a few hours and then have to wake up really early and get to the airport, okay? So, what I recommend is you catch the last transportation to the airport. You go, you find yourself a comfortable spot, and you sleep at the airport. So that's option 1. Second thing is for people that have a late flight. You're arriving late. You're like, oh man, I don't want to go to the city. Like, it's so much work. And you're all like half sleepy. Trying to find a place to stay, getting to your accommodation when you arrive into a city late at night is not fun. It's not fun. So just stay at the airport, and often it's much cheaper. It's much cheaper to take transportation in the morning, during the day, when other people are taking transportation. It's safer, it's easier, and it's more fun, and you get to see the city. So just wait at the airport till daytime. Okay? And option 3 is just for people who are trying to save money. If you're in a very expensive city, like I did this in Milan. When I was in Milan, I was like, wow, accommodation is ridiculously expensive. I don't want this in my life. So what I did is I just went to the airport. I purposely went to the airport with no intention of taking a flight. And I just stayed there the night. And I went to the city the next day. Just like that. And sometimes cities have like showers and everything, and that's where I'm going to take the next tangent into this website, because you've been staring at this page since I started talking. You're like, what is this? This is your sleeping in airports Bible. This is your guide to sleeping in airports. This website is where you come whenever you're planning to sleep at an airport and you don't know anything about this airport or even the city. So you come here, it has airport guides. It tells you the best and worst airports. It's basically like a booking.com or Airbnb. It tells you, it has reviews. Like what? It gives you reviews. It tells you how comfortable the airport is, what the environment is like, the vibe of the staff, the vibe of the overall airport. And it gives you other things for people who want to stay at the airport but they want to pay for it. It gives you fun things to do on a layover. The sightseeing is definitely not sightseeing in the airport. Sometimes it does tell you how you can sightsee in the airport, because some airports are really cool, like the Dubai airport or the Singapore airport. Super cool. So you do get to sightsee when you're in the airport. But other places, it's like, okay, it prepares you for when you have to go in the city. So it's already telling you how to get there, what to do. And this one is how to sleep in the airport. Oh my god. It gives you the best tips of how to sleep. Look, I don't know if you want that. Airport with cots. It tells you what type of accessories airports have available for you. It has blogs. What? It tells you everything. This has everything. And it covers major cities. It has an airport guide of most cities around the world. Vancouver, Barcelona, the London airports, New York, Seoul, Istanbul, Frankfurt. It gives you all of it. So this website is where I go to whenever I'm thinking of going to sleep in an airport. I found out all the information. I look how much it costs to get to the airport, how much it costs to, let's say, like leave the airport as well, because the prices are different. It tells me where I can sleep, how I can sleep, how safe it is, whether I can get food, whether I can get free food. You can get free food at the airport if you go and ask in the restaurants and like the little food shops, because if you are in the airport late at night, often a lot of the places will close and the staff will go home. But what they do is they throw away the food that they have. So instead of them throwing it away, they'll just give it to people. So they won't give it to you if you don't ask. So you need to go and ask, be like, go to Chinese Wok or burgers or burritos, sushi. Go to them and be like, hi, you guys are about to close. Do you have free food that I can have? Yes? Amazing. Because this is the best thing ever. Imagine you find a cheap flight. By the way, the last episode was about cheap flights. So once you have your cheap flight, you go and you land at the airport, but it's late at night and you're hungry. You see that these places are closing, you ask for food. Now you just got a cheap flight and free food and free accommodation. You are a winner. And the best part is later on, this website tells you that you can go into the city for free. And you're like, what? I can go into the city for free? No way. So then, you're just the best. You're winning. You're winning at life. You get everything for free except for the price of your flight. And sometimes you can get your flight for free if you're like credit card hacking. Like if you have a lot of points on your credit card or whatever card you have, you can use those points towards your flight. So then you get free flights, free accommodation, free transportation, free food. Wow, you are living a dream. That's basically it. This is how you can save money on accommodation by sleeping in airports in a comfortable, organized fashion. Okay? So that's basically all the information I have for you in this one. This one was basically quick, to the point. I didn't really get lost throughout the process. So episode 4 is going to be about finding free rides on Facebook groups. So it just keeps getting better. Everything for free, everything cheap, everything amazing. So I'm basically, I hope you're taking notes or saving this video, because you're going to need to come back to these videos when it's time for you to go back and travel again, so that you can look into all the information I'm giving you and use it. Or if you're traveling right now, keep note of this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, put the video in one of your playlists, and just like keep it with you, because you can keep using it everywhere you go. It's gonna be there, you know. So what I'm doing is not really for me. I use this, yes. I'm not getting anything out of this. I'm just here to help you guys do what I'm doing and like travel as a baller and save a lot of money and get to visit as many places as possible around the world. This is still comfortable. Sleeping at an airport does not need to be uncomfortable. Look how comfortable these people are. They're so comfortable. This person is on his laptop. So many times at the airport, I've been just chilling watching Netflix or eating a buffet at the airport, lounging like a king and just loving life and waiting to go into my next destination. It's amazing. Sometimes I have company and like I talk to someone or whatever. Like it's really, really cool. So look into that. If you like this video, like I said before, you can hit the notification bell for future videos, and that way you don't miss anything. You can hit the like button because it helps me, and you can subscribe so that you can be part of this community and be benefiting from all of this information. It's not just travel information. I have other videos that are related to saving money and improving your lifestyle and all these things. So I'm just here to help you in as many ways as possible. So if you like all this content, just be a part of the family. I want you to be a part of my family. Thank you for watching.